Picture a course that will teach you how to design even your wildest storytelling ideas. Yes, all of them. Even the page for that strange idea you had after 5 pints of Guinness.
I've had 5 pints of Guinness and my wife just left me for another man.
We get it. You want to build great interactive designs, but you have no idea where to start. Lucky for you, you've got me. And Maglr Pro. In this course, we're going to build our visual ideas together. And we'll do that with an inspirational page about the culture of Brazil.
Why Brazil? We are a Dutch company.
Because I've seen enough pages about cheese and windmills. We can do better than that.
So we're going to build a page about samba and carnival instead?
And the Amazon rainforest. Much more interesting.
Sure.
Anyway, we're going to build this page, step by step, feature by feature, covering every single thing you need in order to learn the basics of Maglr Pro. And then, in the advanced course, we'll dive even deeper into custom examples and show you exactly how they were made, using the more complex features Maglr Pro has to offer. If your goal is to learn how interactive, story-driven pages are built, and then use that knowledge to build these pages yourself, this is where to begin. Let's get started with the crash course for Maglr Pro.